Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a simple example of a blockchain implementation in Python. This will help you understand the basics of how a blockchain works. Blockchain is decentralized and distributed digital ledger technology that records a transaction across multiple computers in a way that ensures security, transparency, and immutability. Each block in the chain contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data. So let's see how to write code for this in Python. So first we are going to import libraries. Hashlab used to create cryptographic headers like SHA-256. Time used to get the current time for timestamps. Then we are going to have a block class. So this will be the attributes index is for position of the block in the chain, and previous hash of the previous block to maintain the chain's integrity, timestamp time when the block was created, data the actual content or information stored in the block, hash unique identifier for the block created using its content. So let's set the values. Then we are going to define a function. This method provides a readable string representation of the block for easy debugging. Then we are going to define a function for hash calculation. This creates a SHA-256 hash using the block properties index, previous hash, timestamp, and data. And the string is encoded to bytes before hashing. Then we are going to have a Genesis block. This function creates the first block in the blockchain, the Genesis block. The parameters hard-coded index of 0, previous hash of 0, current timestamp, and a predefined data string. Need to fix it over here and remove the extra from here. Now we are going to create a new block. So that will be So this function will generate a new block using the last block in the chain. The parameters are previous block, the most recent block in the chain, data, the information to store in the new block. And we are going to take these steps, increment the index, get the current time step, calculate the new block's hash using the previous block's hash and the new data. So let's do that. Now we are going to add our main program. Need to fix the indentation. These are not part of class. I have to here. And in our main program, we are going to create the blockchain. Start with the Genesis block. So this will be going to add a loop which adds a specified number of new blocks. In our case, 10. So this will be for I in range num blocks to add. So we need to check over here, create new block. We don't have data this one. Okay. So now blockchain. We are also printing blocks. Each newly created block is printed for visibility. And here is the output when we run our code. So our code demonstrates a basic blockchain structure where each block is linked to its predecessor through hashes, ensuring that the chain cannot be altered without changing all subsequent blocks. So it provides a fundamental understanding of how blockchain technology works. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Hasim Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.